The last drop. The first time the rain fell upward, Maya thought she was losing her mind. She stood on her apartment balcony in downtown Seattle, watching droplets defy gravity, streaming from the pavement toward the darkening sky like liquid bullets fired in reverse. Cars stopped in the middle of the street. People emerged from buildings, phones raised, recording the impossible. Within hours, #UpsideDownRain was trending globally. Scientists scrambled for explanations. Religious leaders proclaimed the end times. Maya, a meteorologist at the National Weather Service, found herself at the center of the storm. It's affecting the entire Pacific Northwest, her colleague Dr. Chen announced during an emergency briefing. The droplets maintain perfect spherical formation but move against gravitational pull at exactly 9.8 meters per second squared, as if gravity itself has reversed, but only for water. Maya studied the satellite data, her coffee growing cold. Something nagged at her about the pattern. The phenomenon wasn't random, it followed specific geographic coordinates, creating a perfect spiral centered on Mount Rainier. 3 days later, the upward rain intensified. Rivers began flowing backward. Lakes emptied into the sky. The media called it the Great Reversal, but Maya noticed something troubling in the atmospheric readings. Oxygen levels were dropping in the affected areas. She drove to Mount Rainier alone, ignoring evacuation orders. The mountain stood eerily quiet, its peak shrouded in impossible waterfalls flowing upward like liquid smoke. At the base, she found them hundreds of metallic spheres, each the size of a basketball, partially buried in the earth. Maya approached one carefully. Its surface rippled like mercury, warm to the touch. As she made contact, images flooded her mind: vast underwater cities, beings with translucent skin, technology that could manipulate molecular bonds. The truth hit her like a thunderbolt. Earth's oceans were being harvested. The spheres were extraction devices, left behind by an ancient civilization that had retreated beneath the waves millennia ago. As humanity polluted the seas, these beings, Earth's original inhabitants, had activated their contingency plan. They were reclaiming their water, drop by drop, preparing to return to the stars they'd come from long before humans existed. Maya realized the cruel irony. Humanity had spent decades searching for signs of intelligent life in the universe, never knowing they shared the planet with beings far older than human civilization. Now, as the last of Earth's water spiraled into the atmosphere and disappeared into dimensional portals hidden in the clouds, those beings were abandoning the world humans had made uninhabitable for them. She pulled out her phone to call Dr. Chen, then stopped. What could she say? That Earth's water crisis was about to solve itself in the most devastating way possible? That in trying to save their planet, humanity had driven away the very beings who could have taught them how to heal it. Above her, the final drops of Lake Washington spun upward like diamonds against the dying light. Maya watched them go, understanding that she was witnessing not just the reversal of rain, but the end of two worlds, one drowning in its own mistakes, the other finally free to find a new home among the stars. The last drop disappeared into the portal just as the sun set. In the sudden silence that followed, Maya heard something that chilled her to the bone: the distant sound of the ocean, retreating from shores around the world, following its children home.